Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve new problems. I think we can try to solve this one. Remove duplicate from sorted array. For this one, there is a given integer here, and expect output is 2, and so we can see that it's try to get the number of non-duplicate items. So I think for this we may try to use set. Let's try print nums. Can we use this solution? Let's say we have 1, 1, 2. I think we should get 1 and 2. Since this one is sorted array, so when we go through from the first index to the last index, if there is any non-duplicate values, then we move it and update the count or the pointer. So that's in the end we should know how many unique number that we have. We can like if the input range is 0, we can return 0, and then for other case we should have like at least one like next equal to 1, and then for items, for the index in the range, I think we have to start from 1. Yeah, we start from 1, and then we check if the values is the same. If nums at the index at the second index equal, no, we have to check not equal, and nums I minus 1. Okay, it should be okay. If not equal, we move it to the pointer next equal to nums I, and then pointer next 1, and then in the end we return pointer next. Can we try this one? Okay, it passed 2 case. So we can try submit. Okay, pass, but I still think that the set solution should be able to use here as well. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.